Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi on your LG Smart TV. We press the settings button just once and we get the pop-out menu. Now we use the directional pad to go to the top, we go across, across and across to the Wi-Fi icon. Click that. This brings up the internet connection window. You can see it says wired connection, Ethernet, and below that, Wi-Fi connection. You can see I'm connected to internet. Click on that Wi-Fi connection. We land on the Wi-Fi connection panel, and the first option allows us to turn Wi-Fi off. So let's do that. Click. Turning Wi-Fi off will prevent you from accessing all internet-based services unless you use a cable to connect to the internet. Do you want to continue? Yes. Wi-Fi is now turned off. You can see the diagram on the left-hand side. It shows that the TV is not connected to the router or DNS or the internet. So let's just press the home button from here. We'll press the settings button so we can confirm what the Wi-Fi icon looks like. Go to the top, across, and as you can see, it has an exclamation mark. So Wi-Fi is officially turned off and this TV is not connected to the internet. Hope this has been useful. Please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.